Today, we're diving into IObit Uninstaller, a tool that claims to make software removal a breeze. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's see if this uninstaller is worth your time and money. IObit Uninstaller is designed to help users get rid of unwanted programs, toolbars, and even Windows apps that can clutter your system. The interface is straightforward, which is a plus for those who aren't tech savvy. You can easily view installed applications, and it provides options for batch uninstallation, which can save a lot of time if you're cleaning up your system. One standout feature is the ability to remove stubborn programs that don't uninstall via traditional methods. It also offers a powerful scan feature that searches for leftover files and registry entries after the main uninstallation, which is something many users appreciate. However, while it's user-friendly, some advanced users might find it lacks deeper customization options. Additionally, I noticed that some of the information about certain features feels a bit vague on their website. It's clear they're targeting casual users, but if you're looking for something more robust, you might want to consider other options. When it comes to pros, IObit Uninstaller is definitely efficient for regular users who want a no-fuss way to clean their systems. The batch uninstall feature is a real time saver, and the powerful scan does a decent job of cleaning up after uninstallation. On the flip side, there are a few concerns. Some users have reported that the software can occasionally miss leftover files, which might not give you the complete clean you're looking for. Plus, while the free version is functional, the premium version adds features that some might consider unnecessary, making it feel a bit pricey for what you get. If you're someone who frequently removes software or needs a straightforward tool, you might find it useful. But if you're an advanced user or looking for deep cleaning capabilities, you may want to explore other uninstallers. In conclusion, IObit Uninstaller is a solid choice for everyday users looking to simplify their software removal process. While it has its strengths, advanced users might find it lacking. If you're curious, it's worth trying the free version first to see if it meets your needs before committing to the premium option.